Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about Zazzle tutorial for beginners and how you can use Zazzle print on demand on pro learners. So let's get started. So first of all, obviously you need to search for Zazzle on Google and you will end up over here. Just click on the first link and you will end up at their website. But before we go further, let me tell you what is actually print on demand and why Zazzle is so good. So print on demand is a way of making personalized products like shirts, mugs, posters, and instead of making a bunch of them in advance, they are created one at a time when someone orders. That is called print on demand. This means you can have unique designs or even customized items, and they are only produced when someone wants to buy them. It's a flexible and efficient way of creating and selling personalized stuff without having a big stock of items sitting around. So, in my opinion, Zazzle is one of them as Zazzle provides you every single thing regarding print on demand. That's why Zazzle is widely used and obviously it has user-friendly interface once we start working on it, and it has quality printings and customization are so vast, so you can choose any one of them. And to start, how you are going to do, just go at the top and click at the sign in, or you can also click on salons. Once you click on that, you will end up over here. Here you are going to continue with Facebook, or you can go with the email. I'm going with my Google account, and once you sign in, you will end up over here. Here you can see to open a Zazzle store, you need to verify your email address. So I'm going to do that, and after that, we will meet you at the dashboard of Zazzle. Once you verify your email address, you will see something like this and click on OK, and you will end up over here. You can easily create your store from over here just by naming, and at the top right corner, we have all the orders, saved designs, images, and we will talk about this later on. Right now, I'm just going to name my store and click on create store. So once you add your name, as you can see, I have named this my store. You will end up over here. Here you just need to enter your tagline and about your store banner image, which is very important in my opinion. Make sure to upload your a banner which is going to be very appealing for your own website, and obviously your website URL. If you have any website URL, you can also enter that over here. We have tags so people can search you very well, and Andromeda is one of them, so they have created by itself. We have city, state, and country. So this is what I'm gonna do. I have some things which I can add over here, so I'm gonna add my tagline over here, and after that I'm just going to add some about of my page. So this is what I'm going to do. So as you can see, I have added my description of my store, so people should know what I'm going to do. After that, just click on add image in your store banner image, and you have 3 images over here. Here you can see this is the one which I'm going to use, but here I have already uploaded 2 of them. So you will see the size of the banner you are going to use, which is going to be 1140 wide, and the height would be 315 pixel. So make sure to go ahead and create this, and this is how it's going to be look like. Otherwise these pictures will not work. So I'm going to do that real quick, and this is how it's going to be look like. Obviously you can edit this again, and but I'm just going to be leave it as it is. We have website URL, we have tags and city and state province. I'm just going to click all of that and fill all these fields and click on submit. So once you create your store, this would take you right over here. On the left side, if you not end up over here, just click on sell, and this is where you are going to end up. Here you can see you can choose any one of them like home, sports and games, clothing and accessories, invitation and stationery. There are a lot of things which you can use for your own customization and start selling on it. But for this tutorial, I'm just going with this one because this is very easy to understand, and most of the time merchandise is one of them and very popular. So I'm going with this one, t-shirts, and once you click on that, it would take you right over here. Here you can see all the categories at the top, but if you scroll down, you will see the different suppliers for print on demand. So make sure go ahead and filter out the best and obviously the less amount of money which they are charging you. So you can go ahead and filter them out. As you can see, we have basic long sleeve t-shirt over here, but you might find later on as well. Like as you can see, we have 25 here as well with a different supplier, and the other one is also selling this. But as you can see, if you change colors, the pricing will also change. So make sure to keep in mind. So for this tutorial, I'm just going very random one. I can go with this one, which is going to be basic t-shirt for men. And I'm just going to click on that and you will end up over here. You can select the colors and print process every single thing from over here. As you can see, vivid printing, if you want to go for that, you can also do that. And after that, you just need to select the size and click on customize this design. Once you click on customize this design, you will see something like this. And on the right side, we have preview of what you are going to do. So you can create the grid lines, by the way, so you will know what you are going to work on. I have already uploaded some pictures over here. So I'm just going to add this one here. Just click on this and on the right side, you will see the preview, how it's going to be look like. You can also click on that and preview it as well. I'm going to close this and now you can, on the right side, you will see that all the filters for specifically this picture, we can fill it out. We can fit it if you want. We have aspect ratios. You can set that. We have more options regarding that. But on the left side, we have more options like text, elements, and icons. If you want to add, we have layers, different layers to play around, and we have product obviously on the right side. You can also select the size as well, as you can see, and the printing colors as well. But if you want to add something like here, so I'm gonna do that like Andromeda, click on OK, and this is how it's going to be look like. But obviously I want to change my color of this text. This is what I'm gonna do right now. I'm going to change this to white so it look proper over here. And what I can do, line spacing or letter spacing maybe, and I'm gonna paste that over here. And you can obviously change the font as well. So at the top, you just need to click on this fonts and you will see all the fonts over here. I'm going with the bold so it looks good. And on the left side, right side, sorry, you just need to click on this and how you can see how it's going to be look like. In my opinion, this looks good. And obviously you can paste at the back as well if you are going to work on that as well. But this is how it's going to be look like. And I'm just going to click on done. And once you click on done, this is how it's going to look like. So once you've done all of this, as you can see, you will end up here as well. And on the right side, just select the size if you want. So I'm going with the adult medium, and you can click on sell as well from over here. You can obviously go ahead and click on edit design as well again. But if you don't want to do that, just click on sell it. Just click on sell it and you will end up over here. Give it a title name, your marketplace department, your description, and obviously sell this design on. You can select that over here and you can see we have so many varieties over here. You can made in USA only or organic only, or it depends on whatever you are going to do with this one. And make sure to enter description. Obviously this is very important, and select this. After that, at the bottom, if you have already created collections for men clothing, you can also select that over here. And if you don't have, you can just create that by going at the home page. I'm just going to go to home page, and on the right side, just click on this icon and click on collections. And here you can create a collection by clicking on create collection and name your stuff over here. And after that, you can, whatever the product you are going to customize, you can add that on the specific collection. It is all about organizing your product. Once you've done all of that, make sure to add tags. Tags are very important, and this is how you are going to get searched by the customers. And make sure, which is very important, take your time to add tags over here. After that, once you've done all of this pricing and additional information, you just need to click on posted and it will be posted. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to use Zazzle tutorial as a beginner. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.